Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Stocktwits widget in your Edge Desktop app. The Stocktwits widget is where you can see other traders post their charts and opinions, as well as follow other traders and make your own posts. If you do not currently have Edge Desktop installed on your computer, please see the link in the description below to activate the Edge platform and download it. To get started, simply open Edge Desktop and log in with your Questrade account. Once you're logged in, you will notice a row of icons at the top of the screen. Let's go ahead and click the Stocktwits icon. When you first open up the widget, a disclaimer will pop up. The disclaimer indicates that the information displayed in the widget is provided by a third party. Questrade takes no responsibility for the accuracy of the information provided, and the information displayed in the Stocktwits window does not constitute advice or opinions of Questrade. Your use of this widget is subject to Questrade's legal notice. If you would like more information on Questrade's legal notice or Stocktwits terms of use, click on the links provided here. Once you have read the Stocktwits disclaimer, check the box here to state that you have read and understand the statement above. You will be unable to use the widget until you do so. Once the box is checked, click Accept to access the widget. You will notice the widget opens to a certain size and position on the screen. Each widget can be resized and moved around to your own preference. The Stocktwits widget is like a social media platform specifically for traders. The widget displays a live feed of other traders sharing information on stocks, their charts, suggestions, and more. Clicking the arrow beside a post will take you to the Stocktwits website outside of Edge. Please note, the information posted to Stocktwits is not endorsed by Questrade. You can sign in or set up an account by clicking the icon in the top left corner. Stocktwits is run by a third-party application, and signing into Stocktwits through the widget in Edge will connect Edge to your Stocktwits account. The two drop-downs at the top of the widget allow you to refine what is shown in your feed. The first drop-down gives you the option to filter by certain key features. When you select Stocks or Username, a lookup area will appear where you can type in the specific stock or username you would like to search. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. The options Following, ST watch lists, and mentions all require you to be signed into your Stocktwits account. The second drop-down gives you the option to choose what kind of posts you would like to see, like the top posts, posts that are charts, and posts that are links. The drop-down in the top right corner has some additional options. If you have a Stocktwits account, you can use the Share an Idea option to make a post in the widget. Settings allows you to customize what you see in the widget. General lets you customize the line style, toggle grid lines, and alternating row colors on and off, and adjust the size of the charts. Font is where you can customize the size and type of the font in the widget. And color is where you can customize the color of various elements inside the widget. You can set your custom preferences as the default or restore them to their previous settings. When you are finished, click OK. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade Edge Desktop, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.